Convex polygon. A three or more sided shape having all sides protruding out away from the center of the shape. A polygon is a multi-sided shape with three or more sides. There are categories of polygons: irregular and regular, concave and convex. An irregular polygon has sides of varying lengths and no consistency to the interior angles of the polygon. On the other hand, a regular polygon has same length sides and same measure interior angles. A concave polygon must have four or more sides and has a dent, so to speak, where its sides are turned inward toward the center of the shape. Parentheses, an easy way to remember that concave is turned inward is because it feels like walking into a cave. Convex is the opposite, with all vertices pointing outward from the center of the shape, and parentheses. Irregular polygons can be either concave or convex. A regular polygon, however, must be convex as all of its interior angles must be equal. In general, geometry is interested in regular polygons. The concepts of irregular, concave, and convex are presented mostly to provide a deeper understanding of regular polygons. A convex polygon is a regular or irregular polygon with all vertices pointing outward from the center of the shape. Antonyms: concave polygon. Related words: side lengths, interior angles.